What the? What's up with my shit, bro? Like my network real bad, bro. Nigga, you bad as fuck. Like, nigga, you bad as fuck. That's good. I'm camping. I'm lacking and capping. Oh, fuck. Let's go, people. I just want to show you all this. Damn, bro. Bro. Damn, bro. Damn. Let's go have our money spent wisely and smart. Spending smart. That's all I'm gonna say. Well, what's good, people? Well, it's a holiday today. We ain't trading, but I'm back testing and analyzing for potential market movement on Monday. So we're looking at the NAS. I think I'm gonna look at the NAS and gold, probably in Bitcoin. Yeah, three things. Like today, fuck, I want a bit comfortable, man. Fuck, I want to be comfortable. So I didn't know it's a holiday today. I didn't check my emails. I never checked my emails today. I know it was a holiday today, but it is what it is. So, but I'm kind of like, oh man, of course I ain't taking trades, but it is what it is again. So that's the mass. On the last previous video part, live trading with Harlem part 5, 6. Yeah, part 6. I was right. Yeah, look at how it closed. Please go look at that video, part 5 and 6, and look at the NAS. Please, please. I'm not doing it for views, for subscribers, for likes, you know, but please, I beg of you, please go check those fucking videos out. Okay. So we closed at the same level I had my take profit at. Like I am. So, okay, let's look at the weekly. Start at the weekly chart. Where my phone at? Okay, right there. So we had this pin bar. Bless me. So we had a pin bar. We had this price rejection, this bearish pin bar. We all know it's a pin bar on a fucking weekly chart. A pin bar on a fucking weekly chart. You market buyers are still in fucking trouble. Some shit won't still happen in the charts. But don't blame me. But don't blame me. Don't blame me. And don't look at that. What's currently happening with the time? It's a weekly chart. The week needs to end. So time going to still move. You feel me? So yeah, we have a weekly time frame. We're on the weekly time frame. I mean, we have this previous support from last year, bro. Like from when? Okay, it started on this 28 July last year. Boom. This price level right here, the whole price level right here. You feel me? So I have my support and my resistance on the current market price. You feel me? I don't care or give a fuck what the fuck's happening with past history, but we still follow it to keep up with time. You feel me? So on the weekly chart, we have the price rejection up in bar. We had a bearish close, and this week we have another bearish close. So market buyers, where the fuck are you lying? Where the fuck are you lying, bro? Where are you here? Where the fuck are you, bro? Because if you check, we're on the 50% retracement of this move. I can tell, bro. 50%, 50, straight 50, straight 50% retracement, bro. Like, we're finna close out the whole fucking gap. We're gonna close it, bro. And I told my nigga some week when Nasdaq was still buying so much, I blew many accounts during that time. I think 3 accounts, I blew them. They a lot. They a lot. So I blew those accounts when price was still moving bullish. I was like, bro, when price taps a certain level and reverses, bro, it will be my time for me. So so we're here now. So what does now to me when price exhausted? Okay, let's start it here. We have price pushing. Now we have this exhaustion. I believe that like price will continue pushing to the down fucking side. We have a war, we have inflation, we have gas, we have oil, everything that's holding the market is fucking negative, man. Every fucking thing. Okay, before I be fundamental, before I be technical, let's be fundamental. We have a war. We have a war that's been running for about 3 months now. 3 months now. We have inflation. It's about the whole year this year since 2022 started. We've been suffering from inflation, and I think from the year before 2021. What else? What else? What else? What else? Oil. It's bullish, hitting its all-time highs, 130 for a fucking barrel of oil. Gas, same shit. What else? Yeah, I would say mostly if you read geopolitical fundamentals, like we are lying in a fucking bearish pattern, in a fucking bearish movement right there. Boom. So fundamentally, we are bearish. Technically, we bearish. We have price clearly like giving us a structure, bro, from a push phase and an exhaustion phase and a push phase and an exhaustion phase from the previous level tapped to continue pushing. Where okay, the end price tapped from the previous level, which an exhaustion phase ended from. It's back at the very same level. It reacted from it, it rejected being bullish, it reacted from it. So where the fuck are we sitting, guys? So now what does on the weekly chart? I'm gonna head to the daily. So on my daily chart, like I have now a clean slate, bro. Price from those kids. So that's my okay. So yeah, let's look at this now on the daily chart. Okay, I won't use the history. Price was nicely bullish, bro. This trend, bro, I could have executed this trend if I still had the mentality I had from previous years when I was still when like that stupid mentality which I always had that like yeah, and that's like it's an all-time buy, it's an all-time buy. If it taps on the previous support, just look for buys. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. We eating from it. Like this one and the comeback from this one and the straight shot to the upside. Now we have a straight shoot to the downside, moving strongly to the downside. So now price closed on Thursday strongly bearish. You form me. It closed strongly bearish. 1, 2. It's a holiday today. You form me. So now I believe that like what does more like let me try and show you all this thing what I'm talking about. Let me try and look for it. Like I wish I could find it. Like I wish I could find it. Boom, boom. Let's move there. Like let me find it. Let me find it. Don't let my network to bomb me because my network sometimes so bad. My network sometimes so bad. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have we have I'm just waiting for her to leave. She ain't closed the door. She ain't found me open, bro. Kid, you found my door open, man. So currently, what we currently are looking at, so we have this what currently happened today. Kiev, capital city of Kiev in the Ukraine, the city of Ukraine. Kiev hit with most powerful explosions had in weeks. Finland will highly likely to join NATO. Elon Musk could try to run three major companies at once. Here's the latest CEO who did it. Okay, so now Elon like disagreed buying more shares on the Twitter, and we have the Ukraine being attacked again by the Russian with more powerful explosions. And you have Elon Musk, they saying he gonna be a, a CEO, he gonna be a leader of three major companies, like three fucking major companies. So like technically, like fundamentally, bro, we're not sitting in a good state for me. So like let's just head back here. So I believe that like what that's on the daily price will spike, price will jump to the downside and come back to this level before actually moving to the downside. That's what I believe in. That's what I see. So on the 4H, on the daily, we have a strong bearish engulfing candle, a strong and powerful bearish engulfing candle. We move, we move. So price was clearly moving sideways before me. So I was like, from the trades I caught yesterday, a trade I caught, not trades. It was 1, 2, 3 of a pin bar on the 4H. A pin bar breakout in the break in and the bearish candle close, followed by clean bearish move to the downside. I managed to capitalize this move right there. Not all of it, not all of it, but most of it, because I didn't want to sit more. I didn't want to spend most of my time on the chart yesterday. I was like, nah, dude, I need to smoke weed. I need to chill. I just need to catch up, bro. It's like I'm always on the charts, bro. Like I'm always back testing, for testing, doing all them type of shit. Yes, I need to do it because I deserve to do it and I'm meant to do it. But like at times, bro, like fuck it. So I took 90% of this move. I mean 80 or 70% of that move. So what does like now to me, Nasdaq will break this level. But before jumping into conclusions saying Nasdaq might break this level, it closed strongly bearish in this level after a fucking long time. Because once it closed bearish and it boom, instantly moved bullish, came back, and that was a left, spike, and left again. Now we fucking closed bearish. We fucking closed strongly bearish in that level, homies. We closed fucking bearish on that level. You feel me? So now I'm just waiting for price to confirm, break out, and retest continuation to the downside. You feel me? Or I'm waiting for the bull edge to leave this level, show signs or indications that it's no more going to go higher than it has to, an indication of what lower low, lower high protein, being this a lower low, being this a strong push, in an exhaustion being a lower high, push being in a lower low, exhaustion being a lower high, some type of move. But like I'm literally waiting for a breakout and retest to continue moving bearish with this on the 4H. So on the 4H, guys, I'm just waiting for what? A sign of price moving bullish from that level, showing us that this sign is normal. This level, the level that we're looking at, is intraday support is normal, is strong as it was before. You follow me? And break this level in indication of what price giving us this lower highest point, or a clean breakout and a clean retest will be the 100% strategy or point to trade to catch a continuation so to the downside. So right there with this, bro, we trading zones, right? Nasdaq, your your mentors, your SA mentors always say it, right? We trading zones. Fuck that shit. But it do work. It do work. Your phone, it do work. I tried it sometime. I never know I'm trying it. I took a buy yesterday, a day before on Wednesday, before taking a sell yesterday. You feel me? So that's how it is. That's how we move. That's how we roll. You feel me? So I'm still using those notes, those texts, break and retest buy, but now let's break and retest sell, fail to break, break and retest itself, fail to break, we buy. The theory changed, but it's still the same shit. Break, sell, fail to break, buy. That's how we roll. That's how it is. That's how trading is, right? We have some levels we break, some levels we fail to break. And if the market fails to break a certain level, do you still go the direction that you were thinking it was supposed to break? Or would you change your overall perspective? That's what some traders fail to do, but it is what it is. So on the 4H, I said what I said. Like what do you feel like we're gonna do before me? That's one, two. Within an hour, 4 hour chart, bro. Like, hey, it's just something else. The way you put some shit. So I'm looking for 100 pip stop loss for a target of about 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips, but I ain't gonna take it all at once. Boom. I'll have a trade that I will be managing, but like, okay, we can see the like price closed on a pin bar on that level. Before now, I need to use this. I'm using current price action, bro. Guys, please forgive me. So from what I'm looking at the one at the 4H, I think I'm gonna find it at the hour. I'm gonna find it on the hour chart. Perform like now because price clearly pushed and exhausted from that level and pushed again and closed on a pin bar. Before me, I'm just waiting for price to do what, be more bullish a bit, give us a sign and indication that it's no more moving bearish, and we take about 25% of the overall trade that we're going to take. Retest of that level, fail to break in, we take another 75%. All in all, we have 100%. We have 100% on our trades. So that's Nasdaq. That's Nasdaq for me, guys. That's Nasdaq. That's Nasdaq. I'm done with the Nas. I'm done with the Nas for me. Let me look at the 15-minute. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like, guys, do you see what I did? Like, do you see what I just did? Guys, did you see what I just did? Man, man, man. Let's move. Let's move. I'm not great. I'm not great. I'm not great. I'm just doing better. I'm just doing better. So I'm just doing better. That's what I'm looking at on Nasdaq for the week, guys. Like honestly, that's what I'm looking for the week on Nasdaq next week. And let me just write a few things right there. Market closed bearish. Market closed bullish. Market closed bullish on gold. That's the note I always keep up with. I kept myself with this 4H structure bearish. I explain why it's bearish. 1H structure behavior bearish. I explain why. 15-minute. I look for patterns. Same shit on gold. That's how I am. That's how I keep up with myself. And I also have this Monday. I said everything that I did, trades I took, trades I ate, I did everything I prayed and like I did all some type of shit. You feel me? So new week I'm gonna write that right there for the I think the 18th until the 21st or 23rd. I don't know. So that's how I move. So we done on this. Let's move on gold. But I won't be the way I was on this with gold. I'll just explain what's going on before me. So let me start on the daily. On the daily, I see a cup on the handle on gold. I don't know what you'll see. I don't know what you'll see, bro. Like you need to trade patterns and reversals and all this continuation, whatever shit that it is, bro. We have a cup, we have a handle, we going up on the daily. So price clearly moved bearish for some time before me. And we had a correction, another for some time, and we have a break of the correction. So now what does price broke this level, right? Came back for a retest, closed the knee pin bar, the bullish pin bar, right there. Closed the knee bullish pin bar. It's called moving today. I don't understand. It's called trading. I don't know. Me ain't gold on holiday. Ow, I'm popping a pimple right there. It's so fucking so. I need to pop it. It's hurtful. Can't stand the pain. That's it. My bad. I don't know if gold is trading today, but we have a pin bar close right there from that level. Price being bearish and rejecting the bearish move and closing bullish. So I'm gonna leave it to y'all to decide on the daily chart. What do you do next? I'll move to the 4H. We have multiple weak rejections to the upside. We have multiple weak rejections, bro, like to the upside. Like no, everyone can see it. Like those rejections right there. You feel me? So to me, like I just need to do this. You feel me? So now we can all see that like price move bullish, bearish, bullish, tap, bearish, moving bullish again. So what does candlestick right there and the bullish candlestick close? Gold is a buy. 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 Let's wait for a break of those multiple rate rejections right there and buy the shit. So I won't explain further. I won't explain further. Gold is a buy. That's what I'll be looking for. When the market opens to trade it on my vault account. Vault markets trading account, which I trade gold on. So looking at the hour, which was there minutes ago, we have price clearly moving with lower lows and lower highs and failing from the previous support and moving bullish. So now to me, I'm just waiting for price to just break out of this level to continue moving to the upside. That's my trade on gold. That's my trade on gold. And initially, like it's support, it's supposed to continue moving to the upside. An indication of what? A cup and a handle. But we just get the dub and we out. So on the 4H, we moving high. On the hour, we moving high. So let me look at another pair. US 30 is a sell. US 30 is a sell. I had my analysis from Friday. Thursday, I mean, that's a sell. Straight sell. Please go for it. I won't say much. German 30, it's also a sell, but like it ain't beautiful. It ain't beautiful. It ain't beautiful. But like we still have it that way. It's hard to trust. We've been through much shit we can't give up, and it's all over. Happens just like who we got me start changing who I was. And it's just because they got me love, but I still a thug. It's hard to trust. We've been through much shit we can't give up because I don't know love. Happens just like who we got me start. That's a sell. And it's all because it's what love. I'm still a thug. Baby, it is what it is. I'm sorry at the end of the day. Hold your trades, lock your trades as soon as they trade from this level. You lock from here because you don't know what might happen. Price might perform, just do what it do, but you're not creating scenarios from the market, right? You're not being. History repeats itself in a different way, bro. You just gotta get your eyes wide open. Period. Yes, sir. I hope y'all see what I just did right there. That's a buy on the USD CAD. It's a buy. Is it trading? Is it trading? I don't know. We have multiple rejections down there. I don't care. But I'm looking to take a buy as soon as price breaks off the brick wall. Where my network go now? I don't want to end my session, bro. I don't want to end my session. Not now. Not now. Sell it lower high. Sell it lower high. Let's look for the lower high. Let's look for the lower high. Yeah. What's this? I won't say much. I'll be looking at the hour. I won't say much. And they hold their hands. Price as the more price moves to the downside, if you caught a sell, keep your stop loss moving to the downside, bro. Protect your capital, bro. Most especially when you're growing, like we are the side. Keep your capital minimum, keep your losses minimum. So price clearly moving to the downside. I have this level right there where you might get closed from in this one. But I don't look at the upward, the downward one. So what does man? What did I press? What did I press? What did I just do, man? What did I just did? What? What? The fuck? And spoiling my session, bro. You spoiling my session, man. I don't want to end it now. Like I honestly don't want to end it now, bro. Like I honestly, but like my network tripping on me, bro. I don't know what I just pressed, but I hope we do what we do. We follow up because of what my network did. Like it's just spoiling my mood, just spoiling my mood, just like spoiling my mood and putting me in some type of shit. But like I'm okay, I'm cool, my mood okay. I ain't capping. But everything I said about the NAS, the gold, USD, yeah, all them type of shit that I just said, I mean it. Like that's my market, like my potential market direction that I'm looking to trade. You feel me? That I'll be looking to trade. Let me do the Bitcoin before I leave. Before I leave, I won't use many time frames. I'm gonna go to one, stick into one time frame. What I usually sometimes do. So price clearly short short to the downside. You feel me? And they have a correction right there, being kind of like a flag, but it's a flag. It's a flag. You feel me? So what does they can retest? We move cleanly to the downside. Well, I'm gonna be in sentence ET, having a lunch with my little bros, catching up, doing all them type of shit that we usually do. You feel me? So it's cool. It's a holiday. I personally would be trading today. I would be going anyway. I'll be on my chart. You feel me? But like it's a holiday. Everyone now, I also deserve some time out. You feel me? Not always be on my chart like I'm a child zombie. But like I wanna show you all what I'm gonna be doing today. I'll be in a restaurant, fast food, you know me. So yeah, yeah. I guess I'm ending my network bad. I'm ending my session there. But I did what I did. What's most important for me to do. I analyzed. I look for my potential market direction for the week. You feel me? So that's it. It's your boy once again, Young Harlem. And I'm looking at this on my Instagram. It's the Chose Instagram. Happy Passover. Happy Passover Day. So We out. We signing out. See y'all in Samson City. If we meet, if we meet, we gonna chill, have some bottles, get drunk, get laid. I'm capping. I ain't gonna record it. I ain't gonna edit anything. I kept shit raw. So y'all can see where the fuck I am, where I am, and I'm going and where I deserve to be. So it's your boy Young Harlem once again. So this video on my YouTube, I'ma call it being with Harlem on a holiday before he go out. Being with Harlem on a holiday before he go out. Being chilling with Harlem before on a holiday before he go out. Yes, sir. I'm out. I'm gonna be signing 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 out real quick, and I'm signing out. You see it? We out. Surf Boys Worldwide.